What happened?
That's slow. I thought by now, you promised me the last time I came. That by now you would be almost completed.
Yeah, this approach due to the challenges we face during the foundation. Because I know them
You're saying your people don't wear masks on Friday. So what is happening? Where are you now?
We're at this infrastructure. The foundation is really good. Water. We are really careful with the water. We are just like so building the water.
So now it's like, what are you guys doing to ensure that
Reading it is once we are sure these three buildings, the one that we are building are the level. These other two will
did they change it?
Yeah.
Where do you have it? Part of the training laboratory. You do everything. You won't play. Where are you?
And there is a ice. Yes.
I'll come back in how many months? I'll come back in May.
Okay, sir.
Huh? By then, before the rains would have covered.
By then, I think it's
No, the other side. Let's go.
That's how they talk for outside place. I'll tell you that.
Let's go down.
How are you? I'm fine. How many staff quarters have you? 1, 2, 3, and 8. Then what else do you have?
I have close to 150.
How many men? Where is the man? Hello, how are you?
Now I wait to talk with
Hello, sir.
But everybody's taking phone. Someone else.
You know me.
Madam, please pass ahead.
The electric building. What is or what are the people of Edo State expecting in view of your mega mantra?
Under our mega mantra, making Edo great again, we said we would make sure that Edo regains its position in the country as the education hub, the education core of Nigeria. And you can't do that without emphasizing the teachers and training the manpower that will change the educational system. This school is one of the campuses of the Edo State College of Education. Here we're going to focus on training teachers for pre-primary schools and primary schools. And the other two campuses in Igwebe and Afuse will be focused on training teachers who will teach technical subjects and teach in the senior secondary schools. And the one in Afuse will focus on special education. We're expecting that this school the entire school and this campus will open to students before July this year. You see, it's almost ready for occupation. We're just finalizing the faculty. The accreditation team has been here, and I'm quite impressed with the quality and pace of work.
Yes, we know that we are facing the coronavirus pandemic, which will have a negative effect on your finances. I'm just wondering, the first day we came here, you told us that this project is going to be delivered on a certain date, and this is going to delivering this project is going to be a bit later than that date. How do you explain this to Edo people?
Like you said, it's been an unusual year. In the last 1 year, not much has happened. The contractors have had to leave site to protect their workers. The supply chains have been disrupted. But in spite of the delays, you will agree with me that a lot has been achieved. That work has progressed at a pace slightly ahead of what we expected because of coronavirus.
Since you already said this place will be open to students, and this is one of the three campuses of the Edo College of Education, are we going to see students resuming in other campuses as well?
Oh, definitely. In fact, some of the other campuses have students. The Gweben has students. We're scaling up the number of students by expanding the facilities in the Gweben. And Afuse may not take off at the same time as all of them because we need to do a bit more infrastructure work in Afuse.
Yeah, the expression we see on your face shows that you are quite satisfied with the level and the quality of job done here. I don't know, am I right? Certainly.
You saw the other building, the other section we're coming from. That is a project that is going to be related and linked to this. It is going to be like a teaching laboratory. And this is in collaboration with UBEC and the government of Korea, where facilities, the right technology will be put so that we can train teachers practically. You'll have demonstration schools there in the use of technology, using technology to train these pupils and imbibing in them the culture of technology from a very, very early age.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sir.
It's
been carried on by your own party.
Well, as you can see for yourself, the quality and the size, the magnitude of the project is unbelievable. One would have thought that with the effects of the coronavirus, there won't be finances to do some of these things. We are pleased and very happy that our governor is finding, even in the midst of that tight finances, money to do some of these things. And you will agree that this is the basics of making Edo great again. You need teachers to train our children to be good citizens of our state and our country. So we are excited and happy about this.
Yeah, before the past few months, you have always been at the other side. We've heard your voice criticizing government, and now you are in this facility. Is this something to applaud the government about?
Well, let me say this: you don't just criticize for the sake of criticism. With what you have seen here, I can tell you, if the government continues to deliver on its promises, there will be no criticism anywhere in Edo State. It has shown that this government is serious about what it's doing, and I can say that the South-South is setting the pace in terms of development. What you have seen here in Edo State is being replicated in all the PDP states in the South-South. That is why Nigerians are yearning and looking forward to a PDP federal government. Thank you.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.